Hey y'all, is it really possible to cruise with a balcony cabin for less than the price of an inside? Well, let's check it out and see. Oh, let's get right into it. A balcony for less than the price of an interior cabin? Oh, let's check it out. All right, let's look at the Caribbean here now for Princess, the Regal Princess. And one thing about Vacations to Go, you have to look at it in detail to find out what the price of a balcony would be. So let's take a look. There's two down here on July 25th and July 11th, both 7-night cruises out of Fort Lauderdale and on the Regal Princess. So by looking at it just off the cuff, it says $573 is the lowest price, and then $585 is the lowest for this one. $81 and $83 per night. If we click on it and go into the details, let's take a look here. So, inside cabin of $575. That's not too bad, but then when you go to the balcony price, it's $573. You really have to click on the details to find the price differential. For in this case, a balcony is a couple dollars cheaper than the inside cabin. Now, if you're into suites, look at this, $707, right around $100 a night mark. Not too bad. That's the benchmark I usually go by. If you're spending less than $100 a night for an inside cabin, you're getting a good deal. But in this case, you're getting a great deal with a suite and a balcony. So check that out if you're interested. Here's the itinerary. Cozumel, Belize City, and Roatan. Wonderful cruise ports and destinations. You'll definitely like those. And the next one is the July 11th 7-nighter on the Regal Princess. And the inside is $618. Great deal, huh? Right, really good deal. But then if you look at the balcony, you're looking at $585. So in this case, it is less than the price of an inside cabin. Wow, good deal here. Suite is $827, a little higher than the other one, but still not too shabby. If you study and research enough, you can find the really good deals. They are out there. You just have to grab them when you see them. That's the key. All right, now let's take a quick look at some Alaska cruises. This first one here, this 12-nighter on May 21st from Seattle to Seattle on the Queen Elizabeth is a good price. The price just went down. $699 for 12 nights. That's $58 per night. Wow, pretty good. And looking at the Norwegian Jade here also, still $419 at $59 per night. Vancouver to Anchorage, only 7 nights. And here's another one, the 14-nighter. And this is the Grand Princess from Vancouver to Vancouver for $922 at $65 per night. So you've got a couple of longer cruises right here at 12 and 14 nights on 2 competing lines, Princess and Cunard. Let's take a quick look at that. 12 nights on May 21st, Queen Elizabeth. Inside cabin is $699 and an ocean view of $699. So look at that. Inside cabin is not always the best price. You know, you could upgrade here with a good situation for yourself. And here's the itinerary. Ketchikan, so Cunard does go into Glacier Bay National Park. That's a good thing. Haines, Hubbard Glacier, Icy Point, Endicott Arm, Juneau, Wrangell, Victoria, and back to Seattle. All right, looking at the Grand Princess on May 30th for 14 nights. Inside cabin of $922. The ocean view is quite a bit higher at $1293. So no huge benefit there. Here's the itinerary: Vancouver, Ketchikan, Juneau, Skagway, Glacier Bay National Park again, College Fjord, Anchorage, and then back down, Hubbard Glacier, and Glacier Bay again, Skagway, Juneau, Ketchikan. So it looks like it does the same trip twice, back to back, except for a couple deviations with College Fjord and Hubbard Glacier, the only differences. Still a nice trip. It's Cunard versus Princess. Here's a quick look at the Norwegian Jade on May 18th for 7 nights. Inside cabin of $419. That's the best price I've seen all year for an Alaskan cruise, so grab it if you can. Ocean View isn't that much more, $449, so, you know, great. Here's the itinerary for this one. So it goes to the same cruise ports and glaciers as the other 2 ships, just fewer. And just to take a quick look, that trip, Northern Europe, on May 31st, 11 nights from Southampton, England to Reykjavik, Iceland on the Norwegian Star is still available. $70 per night at $779. It's an awesome deal. As you can see, after this trip, they all start going up, 116, 156, etc. So that's the best deal I've seen so far this year on a Northern Europe trip. Grab it if you can. And the other one I was looking at here was the Norwegian Spirit, May 15th. Which is only a couple days away, but it's still available. 12 nights, and that is Tahiti to Honolulu for $758 at $63 per night. Still available. All right, I hope some of this information helped. See you later. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you do, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming adventures. We've got plenty more trips just for this year alone, and then soon after that we'll be doing transatlantic and trans-Pacific voyages. Stay tuned.